Hello friends, I am unboxing Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G. This variant will be powered by a Snapdragon 7S Generation 3 SoC and it will likely support 80W Super VCC charging. The Realme 14 Pro Plus will reportedly get a 32 megapixel front camera sensor, a 50 megapixel main rear sensor alongside a 50 megapixel telephoto camera and a 112-degree ultra-wide shooter. The Realme 14 Pro Plus will pack a 6000 mAh battery and are claimed to meet IP66, 68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistant. The handset will sport a 1.5K quad curved displays with 1.6 mm thin bezels.